Okay, guys, so I'm going to be showing you a very powerful technique that can help you not just fix your blemishes, but also retouch your image, all done in few minutes. So without wasting your time, let's quickly get started. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be dividing this image into two so that our before and after can be very definite. So I'm just going to use my marquee tool to give it that separation because I want to work just one side of the image. So when I have that, I'm going to make a duplicate of my background. If you notice, I didn't do Ctrl J because it's going to cut out. I just made a duplicate. Then I'll pick up my mixer brush and I'll start painting. So we'll just be working with one side. So we'll be working with one side. To do that, I'm going to press Ctrl Shift I to select this part because this is the area I want to work with. So just pick up your mixer brush tool and start smoothing out your image just like that. So to make the whole thing very fast, I'm going to fast forward this process. Just know that all I am doing is I'm using my mixer brush to smooth out my object. Okay, so we are done with the painting. The next thing is to restore the textures of our face. So to do that, I'm going to turn this one off, then come back here. Yeah, at this point, you can decide to remove the selection. We will not be needing it again. Or rather, we can still keep it so that it will be serving as a demarcation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it. So I'm just going to save this selection. Let me call it half face, so that it will be guiding us. All right, so once you do that, you can now deselect it. Make a duplicate of your background. Make sure that the new copy you duplicated is above. So you can just call it T for textures. Then convert it to a smart object so that you can still have control over the intensity of your details. Then go straight to your filter, go down to other, go to high pass. So in this one, we are trying to give it enough texture, but we are not going to be restoring the blemishes. So if it goes high, then know that at the end of the day, you still have these blemishes right there. So I'm going to be staying somewhere around 0.4. At least I'm seeing the skin textures now with very minimal blemishes. So we're going to be working with this. Then I'll press OK, change the blend mode to linear light. So you will notice that all the blemishes are back and the texture is everywhere. So this is why we had to save that selection so that we can divide the face into two. So I'm just going to go